Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will make a special salad. So you can see in the video. So let's start now. We take one cucumber and just peel off little from four sides. Now we cut it, sliced. Okay. Now we take it another pan, another bowl. So now we take one onion, medium size. We cut it into medium size, not very small, not very big. If you have white onion, it's much better, but I have red onion, so I will use this one. So it's ready. So we take it in other bowl. So we add little salt in both onion and cucumber. Add little water to soak them and leave them for at least 15 minutes. Now we take another bowl and add this cucumber and onion. We add little salt, about half teaspoon, or as per your taste how much you want. You can add red pepper or sweet pepper, whatever you have with you, but you like, it's up to you. And we add about vinegar, about 1.5 tablespoon. Mix it thoroughly so everything got mixed together. This is very good appetizer, very good for health, for digestion. You can eat it with any of the meal. You will love it. So it's ready. We take it out another plate and you can serve it with any kind of the meal. Thank you.